Today, we're going to talk about dropshipping on a budget. I'm going to show you how to build an entire dropshipping business from scratch without spending $1 on ads or ripping content from your competitors. And this is by far the best way for beginners to start in 2026 because we're going to find a proven product that's doing tens of thousands of dollars every single month, and we're going to bring it to market with our own unique strategy. But this one doesn't require spending thousands of dollars on ads every day just to not make any of that back. So my name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. All right, we're going to start by finding a winning product to sell. To speed things up and make it a little bit easier, I'm going to jump into my laptop and log into Zik. Zik is by far one of the best ways to find winning products right now because there's no guessing involved. It literally shows you each product and how much it's making right now. So you can track the top performing Shopify stores and the top performing products right on their homepage. So we can scroll through this list to see if there's anything that catches our attention. But for now, I'm going to go over to their product explorer tool. I'm going to type in $10,000 right here on revenue. I'm going to leave all of this blank. We're going to find winning products that are doing at least 10K a month right now. Now, I know I said we're starting a dropshipping store from scratch completely free, but Zik's only like $1 to get started, then like 20 bucks a month afterwards. But if you don't want to spend that, I completely get it. I'll show you guys a free product research method right after this. But if you do want to check out Zik, I will go ahead and leave a link down below for you guys. Anyways, all of these products right here are making at least $10,000 every single month. Most of them, like you can see right here, are doing 100,000 or significantly more. But you can scroll through this list until something catches your attention. I like that first product we saw right up here at the top, this digital retro camera. You can see it was uploaded earlier this year, and it's actually doing over $150,000 a month for these guys. Let's go ahead and take a closer look by clicking on this icon. So right here, we're taking a look at the brand Digifilm. They're active on TikTok and Instagram, and they're a one product store. They have over 2,000 sales and $154,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. We can take a closer look and pull up their sales chart right here, and you can see that their sales are increasing for the most part. We had a couple days before Black Friday where their sales died down a little bit, but since then they've been really consistent. So we'll exit out of there and we'll take a look at their winning product down here. So that takes us to their product page right here. This is the Digifilm camera. Already, this looks like a well put together, well branded product page. I like their offer right here. You can get one camera for $69 or two for $120. I like all of this high quality branded content you can see over here on the left hand side. And look at this description. It flows very well. They have a ton of high quality visuals showing the actual camera in action and how it works. There's lots of visuals throughout this entire product page. This is a great description. There's tons of social proof, testimonials. Here's all the reviews down here at the bottom. I can definitely see why this brand is making 6 figures a month with this product. This is a great product to sell. So we can go back into Zik, and if you want to sell this product yourself, we can go ahead and source a really quick supplier on AliExpress using AI with this icon right here. And Zik's going to scan AliExpress for the best suppliers for this product, although we can see most of these are really pricey. Like the recommended selling price is $70, but you're sourcing this on AliExpress for $95, $60, $89, $117, $94. That's not going to work. So you should reach out to as many of these suppliers as you can and see if they're willing to negotiate on price at all, because a good dropshipping supplier is always willing to negotiate on the price. So reach out to as many AliExpress suppliers as you can. Tell them you plan on dropshipping, you plan on selling a ton of units every single day. Can you come down on price at all? And if they support dropshipping, 9 times out of 10, they're always willing to do this. Now, staying on AliExpress, if you go up to the top menu and you scroll down to DS Center, you can actually find winning products directly on their platform. You guys can see right here, you can look up different categories and niches right up here at the top. You have toys and hobbies, home and garden, computer and office, and so on. So we click view more right here and we can see the best performing products on the platform right now. And these are all products that are being sold by other dropshippers. So you see a lot of tech items, health items, basically exactly what you would expect to see. These are all the top performing products right now on AliExpress. And of course, another really good free method of finding winning products is to create a new TikTok account on your phone and scroll through and interact with as many dropshipping brands as you can find. That way you train the TikTok algorithm to make it think you're a consumer and you want to see all of these winning products. After that, it's going to show you the top performing trends and all of the new latest and greatest products because that's what it thinks you want to see. And of course, you can go on different hashtags like TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds, and you can sort by the most liked videos this month. But those are products everybody's seeing and you can't see the amount of money they're actually making. So by far the best way to find winning products is using a product research tool like Zik. All right, so now that we found and validated our next winning product, we need to come up with a good marketing plan. Rather than ripping a bunch of content from our competitors on TikTok or even AliExpress, we're going to use AI to create our own UGC. So let's start by going back to AliExpress, and we're going to grab an image like this. You want to find a blank product image with a blank white background, something high quality that shows your exact product in detail, but nothing taking away from it. Go ahead and save an image from AliExpress just like this. Now I'm gonna move into an AI image generator. This is the one offered by Galaxy AI, but you can definitely use a free tool like ChatGPT to get started. So start by uploading the product photo we just took from AliExpress. Like I already mentioned, those blank white background photos definitely perform the best. Then you're gonna select your model right here. We're gonna use Nano Banana Pro, but like I already mentioned, you can use a free tool like ChatGPT or Grok to get started. Right here for image description, this is where you're going to create your prompt. You want to be very specific and tell it exactly what you want from this. So right here I said create a photorealistic influencer holding this product. Then I gave the name of the product, the mini retro camera. Use an appropriate home or room setting and make it appear as if it were shot using a real iPhone camera. We're going to scroll down to the bottom. The aspect ratio doesn't matter right now, but the resolution, we want the highest quality possible, so we'll select 4K. Nano Banana can only do one image at a time, so let's go ahead and click generate. And this should only take a few seconds, so we'll see what it comes up with. But basically right now what we're doing is we're creating an AI avatar to promote this product. And once we have a photo of this AI avatar, we can use a video generator like Sora 2 to bring it to life as many times as we want to. So we can create different scenes or different style videos like POV or unboxing. But this is where you want to be as creative as possible. Don't just follow one prompt and come up with as many avatars as you can. So maybe we're a little too specific in our prompt at the end where I said make it look like it was shot using a real iPhone camera, but this avatar right here looks really good. And these AI tools are so advanced you can't even tell the difference right now. This looks like a real person. So you could ask it to clean up this camera stuff at the bottom, but for now I'm just gonna go ahead and download it. And like I mentioned, you can come up with as many avatars as you would like to. So if you have a broad product that works for everybody, you can come up with male and female avatars, different age ranges, different backgrounds, whatever. That way you can reach every audience who would be interested in your product. But for now, this is a really good avatar. So I'm gonna go over here on the left-hand side. I'm gonna select their AI video generator. Instead of text to video, we wanna select image to video right here. For our model, we're gonna go ahead and select Sora 2. We're gonna go ahead and upload our AI influencer that we just created right here. Then for the description, this is your prompt right here. You wanna be as detailed as possible. Tell it exactly what you want. So I just came up with a really quick basic prompt. I said, have this influencer talk about this product she's holding and how excited she is about it. Mini retro camera. UGC style video with B-roll. Obviously, you want to be a lot more specific with this. You can even have AI tools like ChatGPT help you create these prompts. But for now, this is all we need. You can select the duration, whether you want 4 seconds, 8 seconds, or 12. I'll go ahead and leave it at 8, but you can definitely select 12. For the aspect ratio, we're going to change it from landscape to portrait since this is a UGC video. And for our resolution, 720p is the only option we have. So let's go ahead and click generate. Sora 2 usually takes a few minutes to make these, so I'll get back to you as soon as we have something. All right, and after 5 minutes, here's the final video we just made. Let's go ahead and watch it.
Obsessed with this mini retro camera. It's so cute and compact, perfect for spontaneous moments. I love how it looks like something straight out of the 90s, but feels totally modern. It just makes me want to take photos everywhere. This thing is gonna be my new favorite accessory.
The pacing was definitely a little fast on there. You could tell it was AI. She was talking way too quickly, but her holding the camera and talking about it and all the different B-roll footage was perfect. But it's crazy that we went from a simple image on AliExpress to a video just like this. And you can do this for any product you want to sell. You can create unlimited videos around it. Now, this is what you want to do when you actually start making these videos. You want to create at least 3 to 5 videos every single day to test. And you want to post them on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. And just keep posting content every single day until you start to see some traction. You're testing content. You're not building a brand just yet. Let the algorithm decide and pick your winners for you. Now there's 5 popular types of content that you want to create. You have your problem solution format where you introduce a type of problem that your customers have and then frame your product as the solution to that problem. This is by far one of the most popular and effective ways to sell products online. But you also have your point of view or your POV style videos, where in this case, you'll say something like POV, I just got the cutest camera ever. You have your before and after where you show someone taking pictures on their phone before and then now with this cool retro camera. You have your reaction style videos where you react to something. And then you have your I didn't expect this videos where you tell a story and you draw on your user's attention. But by far the best way to speak to your audience is to find out what's already working and recreate it with your own unique twist. Find the top performing videos in your niche. Take a look at the top brands and study what's working for them. Take some of those elements and apply them in your own videos and watch how well they perform. So as you post, you want to look for videos with high watch time, lots of engagement like comments and reactions. And of course, you want to make sure your videos get a lot of saves and shares. If you create engaging viral content just like this, you'll be able to sell thousands of units of your products every single month. And of course, as your videos start to gain some traction, you can actually run ads to your best performers. You can set a small budget and boost your top 1 to 3 videos, because your ads can amplify what's already working, but they can't fix a bad product. And that's why organic content is one of the best ways to launch. Now, don't be that guy that posts for 2 or 3 days and gives up when his content doesn't perform. And don't try to be original instead of effective. Remake what's already working. The truth is, most people fail because they stop before the algorithm even notices them. How do you expect to be one of the top dropshippers on TikTok if you post 3 videos and then give up if they don't do well? You should be posting at least 1,000 videos before you even make that decision. That's by far the best way for beginners to launch a dropshipping store in 2026. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. I also have a ton of helpful resources linked down below for you guys. Don't miss out on any of those. But that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.